Hi guys, welcome to this video. I've got a really good one for you here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pick a niche with a big difference. The big difference being it's a niche that you can be virtually guaranteed to make money in. It's a niche that you will virtually guaranteed to know that it's going to be profitable before you put the hard work in and build a site. And I'm going to be showing you a unique way of finding this niche that no one knows about, or very few people, that you can use today with ChatGPT to give you confidence in the niche. So this is for you if you're getting started making money online, if you want to build affiliate sites, or maybe you've built affiliate sites and not had success. You're going to love this video. So if you do like it, do give us a thumbs up. It really helps other people see the video, and it lets me know that you're watching and that you're out there. And do subscribe if you're interested in building income streams with AI to make the whole thing easier. The whole idea is I got started making money online 20 years ago, and I'm showing you the exact methods that I've used to build a business, but they're made a lot easier with AI. So I'd love to have you on the journey with me. Let's get straight into the video. Before we do, if you're interested in doing this together and you want to build a profitable niche site and a profitable ClickBank funnel, and you want step-by-step training and you want to do it along on a follow along with me, do check out the guaranteed sales coaching in the description. There's a video that will explain everything you get, but quite simply what it will give you is a complete step-by-step to make sure that it works for you. The products picked for you, the content outlaid for you, so you can actually get ranked and start making some money. So that's in the description. Okay, so let's get on with this unique way of picking a niche. What are we talking about here? Well, one of the problems with niche picking is competition. You know that all of the niches that are really good are normally very competitive, and one of the ways that you can get around that is by picking sub niches in popular niches. But a unique way of picking a niche that will work really well for you is to analyze Flippa. Now Flippa is an eBay type site for websites. So instead of eBay selling products, it sells websites. People bid on them. It sells all sorts of things, apps, even social media accounts, services, AdSense sites, Amazon sites, and so on. So lots of different websites. But the problem with that is if we were to analyze Flippa, which we can do, we can have a look here and we can go on the left and we can have a look at review sites and we can go to recently sold, and it can bring all of the details up, and then we can go up here and go to most profitable, and we can start analyzing the listings. And that is actually a good way of doing it. But check out this. I'm going to give you a prompt that will do the whole thing for you and some niches to think about that are already proven. So here we go, check this. Okay, here's the prompt. It's a bit of a mammoth one. You might want to pause the video if you're going to use this prompt, or you can use something like it. Here it is: help me analyze affiliate site auctions on Flippa to identify profitable and active niches for affiliate sites. For each auction, evaluate and provide insights on the following factors: auction activity, list the number of bids and frequency of bids. Price points, record the final sale price or current highest bid for each auction and compare it to the site's revenue. Calculate the price to revenue ratio to help identify which niches typically achieve higher valuations. Revenue history and profitability, niche trends and growth potential, and then based on the analysis above, provide a summary of the top 5 most promising niches, explaining why they are performing well in the market. So here's the output, and you can again go through that prompt if you need to, pause the screen and follow something like that. So it's given me auction activity, number and frequency of bids. Active auctions are in the health and wellness niche, often receive multiple bids within short time frames. Okay, trends in active auctions, technology reviews and personal finance. Price points, final sale price versus site revenue. Sites in the technology niche often sell at higher multiples of their monthly revenue, sometimes exceeding 40 times. Price to revenue ratios, Health and wellness sites typically achieve ratios around 30 times. So we've got health and wellness and technology, personal finance, seasonal niches, travel. We have got niche trends, sustainable living and eco-friendly products. We have got growth potential, smart home devices. Top 5 promising niches based on Flippa is technology reviews, health and wellness, personal finance, sustainable living and smart home devices. And there's the sources. Okay? Now what I've done is I've added in, and this is a good way of using ChatGPT to re-prompt it. You've got your output and then you build off that. So you can see, taking the above, give me some solid niches for an Amazon affiliate site that will do well to flip on Flippa, based on flipping history. So what I'm really looking to do, I know it's sort of given me that answer, but I want Amazon affiliate sites. So now it's going, okay, technology and gadgets, health and wellness, home improvement and DIY, outdoor and adventure gear, pet supplies and accessories. Okay, and it's telling me why it performs well. And then I've further prompted it, okay, now take the above and give me some niches that stand out with products and keyword clusters, the top 3. So here we go, technology and gadgets, best smart home devices for beginners, top smart speakers under $100, home automation, wearable tech, smartwatch for fitness training, tracking, laptops, best laptops for remote work, affordable gaming laptops, so ways into the niches there, headphones, best noise cancelling headphones, top wireless earbuds, health and wellness, best compact treadmills for home, best supplements for energy, best yoga mats for beginners, air purifiers, and so on. So it's actually given me, okay, keyword clusters, a way into the niche, but more than that, it's actually given me, from what we've done here, it's given me niches that do well on Flippa. So then what you could do is you can further prompt and you could take one of these niches. So you could go for air purifiers, and you could take this and you could re-prompt it and you could say, I like this niche, give me complete keyword clusters for key phrases that will be easy to rank for, but that will still get searches, and recommend the ones to start with. So you can then further prompt and narrow down into the keywords, and here we go, long tail keywords, best air purifiers for dust allergies, content suggestions, air purifiers for pet owners, and content suggestions, and so on, and then you can build from there, knowing that you've got a niche that's been analysed on Flippa for sites that have actually sold, and then you're going deeper into the keywords and finding a way into the niche, so you're not having to compete with everyone else. You can even go for another little prompt for you. A little bonus prompt would be something like this. Take the above keywords and give me a percentage difficulty on how easy they will be to rank, and give me the top 5 keywords to start with. So now you can see here it's given me, okay, keyword difficulty approximately 35, approximately 40, approximately 30, approximately 25, and it's giving me an idea of exactly what to start with. So there you go. That's exactly how to find a niche that you do really well with, that's based on real sites that have sold. So if you use that or a prompt like it, and then some of the bonus prompts I showed you, you'll be able to pick niches that you know will do well. And you don't have to go for Amazon affiliate. You could go for ClickBank, or you could go for other affiliate programs, even finance affiliate programs, and so on. So go and give that a go. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any problems with it. Do subscribe. Do check out the guaranteed coaching if you want more help with this. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.